Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Monday's Lunch and Learn. My name is Will Pedersen. I lead our customer team here. We don't have any pre-submitted questions for today. So we'll give everyone a minute to filter in. And if you have any questions, use raise hand. You can use the raise hand feature, ask in the chat, or ask in the Q&A section. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I would be happy to answer them for you. Maru, is our attendance data updated from last week?
Yes, it is up to date. It's up to date, yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here we go. All right, Jeremy. Drop this in the chat so everyone can see it here. I have noticed a custom images section when using the pick image form when selecting an image or icon for various things. I found under System Designers Images, there is a custom images folder. I have added some images to this folder, but they do not appear in the custom images category of the pick image form. Is this the correct use of the System Designers Images custom images? If so, how do I get the images to show up as selectable in the pick image form? Okay, let's see here. Let me create a folder for myself, and we'll dive in. Oh, it is fun. All right, so all right, so let me just create a quick flow with a form here so I can have something to talk about. Okay, then I'm gonna search for image. So I have image here. So here we could say static image and select an image. Is this the user interface, Jeremy, that you're referring to here?
Yes, it is. So there's that custom images category there on the left.
Custom images. I see. Okay, so the real question is just how do you get a custom like SVG or PNG into this list?
Because I mean, I have some things that I'm using multiple places, and right now I'm just uploading them individually from file on this. So like if there's a place I could just have this image be available in any project.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's just see. Do we have this today? Amber, do you know? Adding an image to a page dashboard.
Yeah, I tried searching for custom images and nothing came up.
I bet we don't have this well documented today. Using icons and reports.
Yeah, I'm looking through it and like I can see currently in the program, like
where you download decisions under program file decisions, there's the image folder.
Mhm.
However, I'm not seeing a custom images folder within that.
Yeah, so let's see here. Adding, I believe to add custom images, let me just duplicate my tab here. Oh, what was that? What did I just hit? Refresh? Oh. So there's, yeah, it's system designers images, I believe. System designers images. So inside of here, you see custom images.
Yeah, and
There's
I've
an
used that add button to add files, but they don't appear anywhere except there.
Okay, that should be how you add them.
I've even tried, like I've restarted decision server services multiple times
Mm-hmm.
since I found this. And I think I've even installed an update since I found this and nothing lets them appear.
Okay, I know. Let's figure out how to add custom images then. I don't know off the top of my head how to do this, so bear with me just a minute here. So first things first, let's drop a PNG in here. Okay. Let me actually do that. I'm like, yeah, can I download? Can I select these? No, I cannot select these. I'm gonna find, let me go, you won't be able to see this, but I'm gonna go to my images directory. Images, adventure, digital scarf.svg. I'm gonna copy this and put it on my desktop. I'm gonna rename this thing to barf svg. If I come to custom images and I add barf svg, okay, if I come back in here, let's go to my form, it's my image selector here, select custom images. Okay, so I see tab here and I see barf. So you're not getting this by doing the add button.
Correct.
Okay, what version of the platform are you guys currently running?
The most current.
Okay, I'm on, sorry, there's a fridge delivery in my kitchen if it's
Yeah, I
a
have
little extra noisy.
7.10.2.
Okay, bear with me just a moment. Okay, so the question is what's going wrong? This is how it should work. I mean, I'm guessing if I actually go through with this, I should be able to select that image. Oops, excuse me. Let me select custom images. I'll select tab PNG. Hit a button. Just make sure this actually works. If I save this, is that going to break something? Let me run my flow. Oh, I didn't finish my flow. All right, let's get this set up. And debug. All right, so it loads my image. So why are your images not showing? I'm probably gonna have to ask support, Jeremy, to help out here since it's not working for you. That's how it should work. Now, Amber, let's make sure we need to get this documented, please. You know, adding custom images.
I'm also comparing what I see in that directory in the decisions studio with what's in the direct on the file server under decision server images, custom images. And there's there's 4 showing there, but there's multiple that I'm seeing in the GUI. So there seems to be some kind of disconnect there as well.
Interesting. On the file system, I don't see custom images in mine.
Program files, decisions, decision server, images, custom images.
Yeah, odd. I don't see custom images in mine. Here's images.
Yeah, I don't have one in mine either.
Is mine in maybe here's decisions. Oh, there's of wait, hold on. Decisions images, decisions server images. icons.zip, type images, teamwork. So adventure. Should know how to do this. Okay, so that's that list. There's another images directory on mine, which is the same things. File storage, primary, date modified, data temp, data store, persistent. Well, let me see if I can find this tab.png. I have an info file. That's not where we want temp 8b. PNG file. Okay, there's the file. Where are you located at? Primary temp 8b. Got an info file. That's located in file storage, primary temp 8b. It's clearly, maybe these actually get added into the document table. Let me check the database here really quick. Maybe this is actually adding itself into the database. Let's look and see if we just added start from document order by created on date descending. Preview image PNG. Yeah, okay, those got added into the document table. Maybe that's because I did it through the user interface. So yours should also be there. Now there is no extension ID for these things. Entity folder ID is custom images folder. So it's actually, okay, it's not a directory on the file system, it's just a decisions folder. They get saved into the document table. It might not hurt to confirm with a query like this, Jeremy, see if, or to find them by their name, see if they're in the document table.
Yeah, if you can
Using
leave
the
that up,
query editor.
I'm gonna do that right now.
Yeah, I'll drop it in the chat for you as well. Now, of course, yours might not be the most recent documents added if you've added them before.
Yeah, I'm just seeing what might be. If I see anything with the same names that I know it should exist.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I did a search on the document table for a document file name like with one of the names I know exists, and it finds it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's there.
Is it possible that it's maybe marked deleted for some unknown reason?
Deleted equals false.
Okay. It's not deleted. It's in the database.
It shows that I added it on February 4th, 2022. Entity folder ID, custom images folder.
Now, you said that this was this happened on an older version and then you upgraded and it's still not working? Or you've only
Yeah,
tried it on the current version?
I haven't tried to add one recently. Let me look at my update log. No, it looks like I added those files after my last upgrade.
Okay, I could try to run an upgrade and just see. I need to get current
Yes.
anyway.
Yeah, my last update of the platform to 7.10.2 was on January 31st. And then this file shows it was created on 2/4/2022.
All right. Oof, that's not a good sign. Why is my internet? I was gonna say I could try to upgrade here, but I'm now looking at my download speed of the installer. That's gonna take a second. That's probably not gonna be opportune to do on the call here. What is going on with my internet today? Maybe the Zoom recording is eating up a bunch of my bandwidth. Yeah, I think I think what we need to do is get a support ticket submitted and have someone follow up with you.
Okay.
I
Sounds good.
have no clue. I'm gonna upgrade and see if I can't recreate it and see if it's just a version issue or not. That is how you're supposed to do it, though. We have learned
Yeah.
now that it saves it to the document table, and that it doesn't need to be an SVG. So there's probably either it's not working in the current version, or there's some setting somewhere that you guys have flipped on that makes it not work. That we'll have to figure out how to backtrack and find out about.
Yeah, because the one I was
So-
looking up is a PNG file.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I used. I was wondering if it might have if it might be specific to if it needed an SVG, but that doesn't appear to be.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna
case.
check one other file just to have a couple examples. So I think all mine are PNGs that I tried to upload. So, but I just checked another one and it appears in the table as well.
Oh. I guess I need to, there's all sorts of stuff I need to do to upgrade, so I'm not gonna do all that right now. So yeah, Jeremy, let me go ahead and just submit a support ticket for you. And have those guys follow up with you. Cause I'm unsure in the moment right now. You got any other questions about anything that you have today?
Not that I can think of right now.
All right. Let's see. All right, anybody else? What other questions do we have from any attendees today? Today is today a holiday of some sort? Anyone know?
It's Pi Day,
Pi Day. Yeah, it is Pi.
3.14.
That's true. Yeah, it is Pi Day. In my high school, they had like pie eating contests on Pi Day. I wonder how busy pizza places are on Pi Day, if there's no change there.
Well, I think because of spring break coming up, a lot of people might be out.
When is spring break?
Well, it's between, it was last week in some of the schools here in Virginia. And then.
Is it college spring break already? I can't remember when
Yeah.
college is spring break.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Oh, really? Well,
Mhm. And
yeah, I
then
think-
the elementary
Oh.
school spring break is coming up in April, so a lot of
Mhm.
people might be out, with their kids.
Yep. That could explain it then. Yeah, I think first week of April is when my kids do their elementary school spring break. First or second week of April. Okay, well, Jeremy, unless you got anything else, man, it looks like there's no other, we got a bit of a light crowd today, so you sure don't got anything rattling around that you'd like to just know the answer to? If not, I think we'll call it an afternoon and let everyone have 30 minutes back. Okay. All right, I think that's everything for today then. Thanks for the question, Jeremy. And I will be here same time tomorrow. So appreciate everyone joining. We will talk to you tomorrow. All right, thanks everyone. Have a great afternoon.